Welcome to Better Picks. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best hair dryers available in 2026, from budget-friendly options to professional styling tools. Starting our list at number 5, we have the Pigeon hair dryer. At just 499 rupees, this 1,000-watt dryer is perfect for travelers with its compact, foldable design. Coming in at number 4 is the Bombae Hairess Ionic 3-in-1. Priced at 1,999 rupees, it's a versatile tool that dries, curls, and straightens with 1,200 watts of power. At number 3, we have a classic, the Philips HP 8100. For 699 rupees, you get reliable 1,000-watt performance with ThermoProtect technology to prevent heat damage. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Havells HD 3151. This 1,200-watt foldable dryer costs 899 rupees and features 3 heat settings plus a cool shot button for salon-quality results. And the top spot goes to the BEARDO Studio Professional Tornado. With a massive 2,000-watt AC motor and professional-grade concentrator, it's the ultimate styling powerhouse for 1,451 rupees. Here's a quick comparison of our top 5 picks. Whether you're looking for value or professional power, there's something here for everyone. Thanks for watching our 2026 hair dryer guide. If this helped you decide, hit the like button and subscribe for more ultimate reviews. Check the description for all the details.